Ah, what a nice day for camping. Ooh, looks like the tent is up. Just be careful, there are bats in these parts. Oh no! This is terrible! You forgot the TV! Also, I think you've been bit. But it's okay. Vampires can still go camping. Good thing we packed all that sunscreen. You can still enjoy some beach time fun. Like buried treasure. Ooh, a heart mold.
Wow!
Let's try it out. Get some wet sand and scoop it up. Okay, you've got the hang of it. Let's make a bunch. Always good to have a few backups. What a tempting little apple. Ooh, the tooth fairy will pay big for those. But in the meantime, let's make you some new ones. We already got the mold. Just add glitter. Add some hot glue and let it dry. Try them on. Campouts are always more fun with a grill. Uh-oh, are you out of drinks already? Let's fix it before you get really thirsty. Take a syringe and suck up some dew. Wrap some nanotape around the end. Now start filling it up. Whoa, that's one big bubble. Let's add a face while we're at it. Ooh, now that's a naughty bubble. Want a drink? Just pop it. Anyone surprised she didn't use her teeth? Uh-oh, looks like we need another layer of sunscreen. I think the cap's stuck on. Well, at least we've got it out. Now let's take out an old keychain. Cover it with clay for a makeover. Yeah, now that's more on brand. It could use some black paint. Such a cheery color, don't you think? Add some googly eyes. And a mouth. Now he can help you dispense lotion. Ah, nothing beats fresh bat drool. Careful, your shoe's stuck. Ouch! Oh, it's so close, and yet so far away. Ew. You lost the other one too? Try this. Blow up a balloon. Put your foot on for size. And let it shrink to fit. Is that a mountain or a molehill? Here's our answer. It's an anthill. Never seen a vampire get bit before. Probably should ditch these stockings. Now fill it up with some of this sand. Tie it up. And maybe add a cover. Sit down and enjoy your new seat. A snake? Why is everyone so bitey today? I think we need to suck out the poison. So it's a good thing there's a bite extractor here. Well, she wasn't gonna use her teeth. Much better. Just need to add a bandage. Oh, a pair of crossbones. Now that's styling.
Wow!
Ah, Mother Nature always provides. But I wouldn't bite that if I were you. Yeah, I think she's got the message. Gotta go? Ooh, this chair should help.
Ooh.
Just make a hole in the seat. And add a plastic bag inside. If you've got a toilet seat, it just feels right. Wait, I feel like we're forgetting something. All right, toilet paper. And it fits right in. Wow, that garlic really went right through you. You brought hand sanitizer, right? Berries don't ward off the undead, right? Well, she seems to like it. But remember, a vampire needs her teeth. Don't worry, we just need the bristles. Add our trusty syringe and add toothpaste. Push, and the paste comes right to you. Now brush away. Good dental hygiene is important to keep your teeth looking sharp. She's a survivor. She's gonna make it. Keep on surviving! At least after she's caught her breath. Quick, there's ships! Get their attention! Yoo-hoo! Well, here's the next best thing. Supplies. Is there food? Oh, even better, a smartphone. Oh no, we could have used it to order a pizza or call for help. Well, I guess this works too. Let's just hope those ships are still there. Oh, that doesn't look good. And I don't think she's got a napkin. And now she's got a splinter. Luckily, this syringe works better than tweezers. It just sucks it out. Wow, this tropical island sure is chilly. Maybe this stretch wrap can help keep our temperature secure. It's a brand new sweater. Let's cut it up into a jacket. But let's add our own flair to this coat. Take out that marker. Fashion with function. Good, protect the stuff. Something tells me there's more helpful gadgets inside. Oh, what a lucky break. Strawberries. Are they fresh? Well, that answers that. We might be in the middle of nowhere, but she's not an animal. And this makeshift toilet will help her feel comfortable. That cushioned seat is just classy. The toilets at home wish they had such soft seats. Let's see what else is in here. It's a sleeping bag you can practically wear. Just remember to zip things up nice and tight. And just think, this bear costume might scare off predators. Oh no! Is the luggage okay? And you're all messy. The one thing better than a change of clothes is a way to clean them. Now you can wear the same thing every day, just like in the cartoons. Wow, it's like combining laundry day and leg day all in one. Now that's nice and clean. Oh no. She's got that look in her eyes. Talk about your bleach blonde. What's that hot, musky smell? Oh, it's you. Do these pop tubes give you any ideas? Well, take this bottle and use it to collect some water. Now these tubes can become part of a makeshift shower. Any hope you've got air conditioning in there? Next best thing. Look at all that water. If only it smelled as good as it looked. With this bottle and some cloth, we can collect clean water, drip by drip. And will you look at that? A message in a bottle. A helpline? If only you hadn't destroyed that smartphone. But maybe this bottle can help us. Add duct tape. And now we have a cute little cup for all our cup-related needs. Apples! Let's hope they're fresher than those strawberries. And they fall right to you. Talk about convenience. Cocoa and apples? Oh, she's making hot chocolate in an apple. Let it cook, and don't forget the marshmallows. And when you're done, you get to eat the cup. Hiking 101 says you need to keep your feet dry, unless you like blisters. Let's hope there's some shoes packed in here. Oh, even better, waterproof socks. Let's test them out, but not too much. Can't waste good water. Let's see if all this money survives. I mean, it's not like it's gonna do us any good on this deserted island. Time for a nap. Who would have guessed rocks would be too hard to be pillows? Maybe this inflatable pool could make a soft bed. Throw in some pillows that we could have used before. Could use an extension. Let's see what we can whip up with this hoop. Add a curtain, and we have some shade. Good thing you looked before you leaped. People seldom do. Wait, is she gonna skateboard down that thing? Sure beats walking. Toto, I have a feeling we're still in Kansas. Probably should keep an eye on your things. And this is why you wear a helmet and knee pads. Where'd you get those marshmallows anyway? Catch you next time.